Right, come on. Get it down, you.
I genuinely don't
That
think
feels
it's going to
quite
come
nice.
off. It's not coming off.
Come on.
There we go.
Can I go first here? Because
No.
Mel just ruined this for everyone.
Come on. 3, 2, 1.
There you go. Don't.
That's what was it.
It's what?
You just
You
got
can't
it in
swallow.
the mouth.
It's just up my throat. Oh!
Because you're not allowed to yet.
Swallow that now. Swallow it now.
Where's that? Swallow that. You're gonna ruin their teeth. Yeah.
Swallow it. Swallow it. Please, God. Oh my God, it's still in your mouth. How long is that? 1 minute, 5 seconds. It's still in your mouth.
It won't go down. It won't go down.
You're going to have to
Dealing
swallow
with
it.
it. Oh, you've got to have it full.
Oh my God. It's making its way further forward every time.
Can't do it.
You're going to have to do it.
Then I put it.